Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited to share with you my thoughts on the FUJIFILM X100VI, a camera that's been making waves in the photography community. It's a premium camera that's been on my radar for a while now, and I'm eager to dive in and see if it lives up to the hype. The FUJIFILM X100VI is a digital camera designed specifically for professional photographers. And it's clear that Fujifilm has put a lot of thought into creating a product that meets the needs of this demographic. So, let's break down the specs of this incredible camera. The Fujifilm X100VI boasts a 40.2 MP sensor, which is a significant upgrade from its predecessor, and it's paired with the powerful X processor 5, which enables faster processing and improved overall performance. The camera also features a 23mm f/2 lens, which is perfect for capturing high-quality images in a variety of lighting conditions. Additionally, the 6-stop stabilization ensures that your images are always sharp and blur-free, and the 425-point AF system allows for fast and accurate autofocus. And with a 3.0 touchscreen, navigating the camera's menus and settings is a breeze. In terms of autofocus, the Fujifilm X100VI features a hybrid autofocus system that combines phase detection and contrast detection autofocus, allowing for fast and accurate focusing in a wide range of situations. The camera also features a variety of autofocus modes, including single shot, continuous, and manual focus, giving you the flexibility to choose the mode that best suits your needs. The camera's autofocus system is also capable of tracking subjects at high speeds, making it ideal for capturing images of moving subjects, such as athletes or wildlife. In real-world use, I've found the Fujifilm X100VI to be an absolute joy to work with. Its ergonomic design and intuitive controls make it easy to use, even in the most demanding situations. The camera's weather sealing and durable construction also give me confidence when shooting in harsh environments, such as rain or extreme temperatures. I've used the camera to capture a wide range of subjects, from portraits to landscapes, and I've been consistently impressed with the results. The camera's image quality is exceptional, with excellent detail and color rendition, and the ability to shoot in a variety of formats, including RAW and JPEG, gives me the flexibility to choose the format that best suits my needs. I've also been impressed with the camera's video capabilities, which include the ability to shoot 4K video at 30 frames per second, as well as slow-motion video at 120 frames per second. The camera's video mode also features a variety of settings and options, including the ability to adjust exposure compensation, ISO, and white balance, giving me the flexibility to customize the look and feel of my videos. Additionally, the camera's built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity make it easy to transfer images and videos to my smartphone or computer, and the camera's battery life is excellent, with up to 400 shots per charge. Overall, I'm thoroughly impressed with the Fujifilm X100VI, and I'd rate it a solid 9 out of 10. The camera's exceptional image quality, combined with its robust feature set and durable construction, make it an excellent choice for professional photographers. If you're in the market for a high-end camera that can deliver exceptional results, the Fujifilm X100VI is definitely worth considering. Be sure to like and subscribe for more content, and hit that notification bell to stay up to date on my latest reviews and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you all in the next video.